To set up a Venmo Kids account, start by ensuring you have a Venmo account of your own, as this is required to create an account for your child. If you do not have a Venmo account, download the Venmo app and sign up following the in-app instructions. Once you have your own Venmo account, navigate to the Venmo Kids section within the app. This is typically found under the Settings or Profile menu. If you are having trouble locating it, you can use the search function within the app to find Venmo Kids. In the Venmo Kids section, select the option to create a new account for your child. You will be prompted to enter your child's name and date of birth. Ensure this information is accurate, as it will be used to verify your child's identity and comply with applicable laws. Next, you will need to set up a funding source for your child's account. This can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Choose a funding source that you are comfortable with and that will allow you to easily transfer funds to your child's account. After setting up the funding source, you will be asked to set a weekly allowance for your child. This is the amount of money that will be automatically transferred to your child's account each week. You can choose any amount you like, but keep in mind that the goal of Venmo Kids is to teach children about responsible money management. You will also need to set up a PIN or password for your child's account. This is an important security measure that will help protect your child's account from unauthorized access. Choose a PIN or password that your child will remember, but that is not easily guessable by others. Finally, take some time to review the settings and preferences for your child's account. You can choose to receive notifications when your child makes a purchase or receives money. And you can also set limits on how much your child can spend in a single transaction. By following these steps, you can easily set up a Venmo Kids account and help your child learn about responsible money management. Remember to regularly review your child's account activity and have open conversations with them about the importance of saving and budgeting.